In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meetings in Google Calendar using the official Zoom add-on integration. We'll walk through two straightforward methods. First, we'll use the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on, which lives right inside Google Calendar. Then, for Chrome users, I'll show you the Zoom Scheduler extension that creates a calendar event with Zoom details already filled in. Start with the add-on. Head to the Google Workspace Marketplace and install Zoom for Google Calendar. When prompted, grant the permissions so the add-on can connect to your Google account. It helps to double-check you're signed into the correct Google profile, especially if you juggle work and personal accounts, and make sure your organization allows Marketplace apps if you're on a managed account. Next, open Google Calendar. Click Create or just select a time slot. In the event window, choose Add Video Conferencing, then select Zoom Meeting. If it's your first time, you'll be asked to sign into Zoom and authorize the connection. That handshake links your Zoom and Google Calendar so meetings are created automatically. Once Zoom is attached to the event, you can fine-tune the meeting options by clicking the Zoom icon in the event. Here you can control whether video starts on or off for the host and participants. Decide if participants join muted, and whether they can join before the host. These settings help you set the tone of your meeting and reduce noise at the start. Now add your event details as usual: attendees, date and time, and a clear description or agenda. Click Save, and Google Calendar will send invitations to your guests. The Zoom link is inserted automatically into the event, so everyone has exactly what they need when it's time to join. If you later edit the event, the Zoom details stay in sync. If you use Chrome, there's another convenient option: the Zoom Scheduler extension. Install it from the Chrome Web Store. Click the Zoom icon in your browser and choose Schedule a Meeting. A Google Calendar event window will open with Zoom details pre-populated, including the meeting link, ID, and a passcode. Adjust the event title, time, and guests as needed, then click Save or Schedule. This method is great when you're already in the browser and want to create a Zoom meeting in one quick flow. To wrap up, use the add-on for a seamless, built-in calendar experience, and the Chrome extension if you prefer a browser shortcut. Either way, your invitees receive a calendar event with the Zoom join link included and ready to go.